Hello guys, you are welcome. Yeah, we are going through, we want to teach you how to use your 3D mask in interior design. How to use it to get your interior design. So we just imported our 3D from Akika. So we have taught you that before now. So we won't be going back to what we have taught you. So this is it. So the simple thing is, you know all this. All this I have done here, you know them. I don't have to start teaching you. You have not done anything external. You just want to go through our interior design. So the first thing you do is just to go to your camera. Same way. If you look at this our architectural drawing is the same thing, but I fix some materials from the Aki card here, so we can also use it to learn and also import other things we can import from our internet and the one we can use on V-Ray to design the other flats. So we know the difference and how best to use our 3D if it is important, or best you you fix your materials and component first in ArchiCAD before you import it, or if it is best you import from other side or through your V-Ray here. So that's the more reason why I have to put on this here, and also also left this empty. So with time we will get to know that. Let's start from using our camera. You don't have to use our camera. You go to camera. You go to physical, and let's say we want to get this side. Let's go with this side first. Okay, so when you have gotten this, what you do is you come here, you go here and you select this camera. Then you come here and you set your camera. Before setting your camera, I think the best thing you do is you come here. Okay, let's set this camera up. Let's take this camera off. And you move. Let's move it a little bit up. Okay. We move this up. So we are setting our camera. So it just depends on how you want to set your camera. Then you come here and we just you click here. Show save frame. You click here, so you get your frame. You also click here and you say select camera target. You click here. Now I've taught you all this. I've taught you all this. how you can use this. So you just, when you are satisfied with your setting, I'm not satisfied with this setting, so I just continue setting. So what we do, I think, to see more of this, place, you can see that you are not seeing it. You are not really seeing what you want to see here. It looks like the camera is not being a larger part of this road. So we just have to click this physical, and let's see how we can set this camera setting to view more of what we are seeing, what we can see. So let's go here and see what we can do. You go to, you set this. So this, I think this, we go to 17, 0. Then you scroll down. This frame, you can see this is from, you change it to 1 second, you change it to this. Then here, instead of 1 point, here instead of 1000, I think you reduce it to 50. I think 50. You go down, you change this to manual. As you get manual, you change it to 100. I think 100. You go down. Okay, you click this. Once you have done all this, just click here. I think you can see it is more wider. You can see more space. So if you are still not satisfied with what you are seeing, you go down and reset your camera. So I think the setting, you can see this is, all this we did it on our Aki card. So this is how to set your camera. The next thing we will do is how to apply our materials, or how to import materials, maybe from website, from any website, or maybe Vira to this side. It means we are taking our camera here. So, but I may not show you when I come here to show you how we set our camera. We just set it the way it is and import. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you understood this.